Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering evidence and securing your environment. Make sure the account email is active and you can receive messages. Next, collect proof of ownership, transaction ID, purchase dates, and device details. These speed up verification. Use a trusted device and a private network. Once done, change any exposed passwords elsewhere and note relevant timestamps. I cannot assist with bypass tokens or cookies, so focus on official recovery steps to protect your account and restore access. You should use the platform's official support channel to request account recovery and attach the proof you gathered. Explain what happened clearly, include transaction ID and the devices you used, and give precise last login dates. Once submitted, monitor the support inbox and your email closely for follow-up questions. Respond quickly to speed resolution. If you provided sufficient evidence, staff will guide you through secure reset steps. Do not share sensitive tokens or cookies with third parties. After recovery, harden your account. Enable two-factor authentication and use a unique, strong password. Consider a passphrase or password manager. Make sure backup recovery options are set and remove unfamiliar devices from account settings. If anything goes wrong, like continued suspicious activity or lockouts, contact support and supply transaction ID and timestamps as troubleshooting evidence. Remember, never paste or share cookies or tokens if you suspect exposure. Assume compromise and rotate credentials on every affected service immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.